This is our 79 Alpha Spider 2-liter. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around of the car. Following that, there will be a second walk around where I'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes. Then will be some clips of the interior as well as under the hood with the car running. So we purchased the car from a gentleman in Illinois who had it for the last 6 years. The car had seen quite a bit of service under his ownership. Check the mechanical portion of the listing and the photos of the major receipt from 2015. But the car had an engine and trans rebuild in 2015, had the clutch done, tires are new in 19. Just a nice, well-sorted car. Back in 2013, I believe it was, the car had new Koni shocks and performance springs put on, so the ride quality is very, very good. The paint is a little bit tired. It is a respray. We assume the car was red. Don't see any indications otherwise. But the paint has it's a little dull, and there are a handful of blemishes that you'll see later. It's not a show car by any means. It's just a really, really nice driver. The car sounds great, shifts nice and smooth, brakes are very good. Brakes were gone through in 15. Campagnola wheels are a great look. The glass and light lenses are all clear and crack free. Now here are the blemishes. You can see the bumpers just showing a little bit of age. Look like they've probably been resprayed once. You can see tiger tail is what we're calling it on the top of the front fenders. You can see a bit on the quarters as well. Presumably from the car just being buffed repeatedly over time. And you can see the expected chipping down along the rockers. A touched up spot there on the driver rear quarter. There's a scratch over by where that antenna is. And then again, you can see where it's been buffed thin, a little bit of tiger tail. Handful of chips. You can see the yin yang sticker. That is just a sticker, it can be removed. Now onto the interior. Door panels are decent, a little bit of fade and discoloring on the armrest. Dash top is really, really nice. There's one few-inch crack from one of those center vents, but it's not within the driver's direct line of sight. The floor mats, or we'll call them carpet, I guess, are a little bit mismatched to the rest of the car, so that's not a great look. But the Alpha Personal wood wheel is great. Seats were reupholstered in 2016 and look great. You can see it's a radio delete, no block off plate. The gauges are all functional, as are the lights. The odometer does work. It's in the high 80s. The engine number is correct for what a 79 Spider would have, so we presume it is original and actual mileage, but it's impossible for us to tell you exactly.